Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miza Sabrina Binti Malik. My matrix number is A18A0261. I'm from group 19. Okay, today I will present about our topic, the factor delay and the sustainability of construction in Gamuda Berhad. Okay, introduction. As the time grows, Gamuda are exploring new and better ways as to maintain and enhance the development city. Gamuda try to improve and create an innovative construction technology in developments and infrastructure project as to gain the positive impact on surrounding communities and reduce the environmental impact by understanding the underlying sustainability impact, including the climate change during the construction. Any positively impact can be achieved. Next is problem statement. Any of the construction industry will face major problems and challenge and become worse in the future if don't have effort to overcome. The bottom line is therefore delay in the construction industry are well common, an important problem that should be further investigated because this problem affect not only the construction sector but also the growth of the economy and the sustainability in the development. Okay, next is company background. Gamuda has accumulated years of experience in fostering positive change and legacies in the economic, environmental, social, governance sphere. Gamuda Pulse is the umbrella program encompassing our effort in biodiversity and nature conservation and preservation, which are crucial in creating wildlife corridors to mitigate human-animal conflict while protecting endangered wildlife species. An arboretum was established by drawing on the native knowledge of orang asli or indigenous people and the scientific research of arborists to cultivate plants and tree species that suit the habitat, and where appropriate we revive endangered species to reintroduce native species. As a leading engineering and construction company, Gamuda continues to play a prominent role in social enhancement with appropriate training, development, and exposure to our employees, supply chain, stakeholder, and community. Okay, for the company mission, we will deliver innovative world-class infrastructure and premier lifestyle properties for our customer through our core business in infrastructure development and construction, operation of infrastructure facilities and property development. For the vision, we aim to lead the region in innovative breakthrough solutions for large-scale public infrastructure and property development. In focus, Gamuda company plan to do to enhance sustainability in business based on the global framework and goals such as the Global Reporting Initiative and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Our programs and effort in safeguarding a sustainable environment for future generations. Next is research objective. The first one is to identify the specific factor of project delay at Gamuda Berhad. The second one is to analyze the sustainability of construction in Gamuda Berhad. And the third one is to examine the relationship between the factor of project delay and the sustainability of construction in Gamuda Berhad.
Next, as for the research question, the first question is, what is the specific factors that can cause the project delay at Gamuda Berhad? And the second question is, what is the sustainability of construction in Gamuda Berhad? And the last question, is there any relationship between the factor of project delay and the sustainability of construction in Gamuda Berhad? And from that research question, we can form a research hypothesis, which is there is a positive relationship between the factor delay and the sustainability of construction in Gamuda Berhad. So here is the theoretical framework. The title is Conceptual Framework on Factors Delay of the Sustainability of Construction in Gamuda Berhad. There are three variables, which is moderating variables, dependent variables, and independent variables. The moderating variables are Gamuda construction, and the independent variables are factors delay, which is client, contractors, consultant, and weather. And the dependent variables are sustainability of construction. First one is sustainable building materials, construction methods, green building, and optimally utilize the resources. So we are able to define the variables. The factors delay can be defined as time overrun either beyond completion date specified in a contract. The construction covers the process involved in delivering building, infrastructure, industrial facilities, and associated activities. So as the sustainable construction is the practice of creating a healthy environment that based on ecological principles. Next, for the research design, we are focusing on utilizing the descriptive correlational research design. As we can see on the objective, we are identifying what are the factors delay, and the second objective is the construction's sustainability, and the third objective will explain about the relationship.
So let's move on to the sampling frame. Samples will be extracted from a list of buildings that in a process of construction that can be related to Gamuda Berhad construction. After that, population and sample. As for population, construction includes the processes involved until the end of their life in the provision of buildings, utilities, and manufacturing facilities and related operations. As for sample, samples will be taken from a list of buildings which might be linked to Gamuda Berhad construction during the building project. For unit of analysis, as the interest of the research will be on value creation performance, the unit of analysis will be the respondents that involved in construction project. Last but not least is validity and reliability. As for content validity, the factors delay and sustainability of construction. For phase validity, questionnaires, focus group discussion, and observation. For test-retest reliability, the reliability coefficient obtained with a repetition of the same measure on a second occasion. For inter-item consistency, the converge coefficient alpha will be used to test the reliability coefficient value. That's all from us. Thank you.